In today's lecture, we are going to learn about that what is unitary. So if you have any questions, put it down in the comment section. Without any further ado, let's begin. Basically, the word unitary means forming a single or uniform entity. It is a type of state in which the powers are given to the central or national government. It is up to the central government to devolve or transfer the powers to the provincial government or the unit governments. All the concentration of powers are in the hands of central government. There are some features of unitary government. Central government is supreme. It has all the powers. Constitution may or may not be written. It has small and limited role to play. For example, United Kingdom has no written constitution. One tier government. It is central government's choice to make unit government or not. For example, in United Kingdom, central government has decided not to have the provincial government or the unit government. Constitution or law is flexible in the unitary government. Just like federation, unitary government has also merits and demerits. So let's talk about the merits first. Strong and powerful. Unitary system is strong and powerful as compared to federal setup. Central government strongly controls all the state affairs with a unified command because all the powers belong to a single central government. Simple form of government. In unitary government, foreign policy, internal policy, and national defense policy are handled easily. This system saves time and all the affairs and issues are dealt easily and rapidly. Uniform laws. Because of the central unified command, all kinds of laws, administrative policies, and functions are uniform. So there is no any sort of disturbance within the state. Simple structure. Unitary system is very simple in organization because there is a single administrative system throughout the state. There is a central legislature, executive, and judiciary so that it is easily understandable, less expensive. In unitary form of government, there is no large number of legislators and ministers, and there is no upper house and provincial assemblies. Therefore, the expenditures of these institutions are almost nil. Flexible system. In unitary system, the constitution is always flexible that can be amended according to changing condition and time. Now let's talk about the demerits of unitary system. Fails in multiracial states. The states of vast areas and multi races cannot effectively be controlled or governed by the unitary form of government. Such unitary states are unstable because of racial conflicts. Large states cannot be run through unitary setup because central government has no access to the far-flung rural areas. Urban supremacy. Central government has no knowledge of the problems and needs of the far rural areas. It is partly because it is situated far away in the capital, but mainly because it has neither knowledge nor contact with the local conditions and affairs. Despotism in government. Despotism means to exercise the absolute power in an oppressive and cruel way. In unitary system, central government has a centralized command and there are no subordinate government to have check on the center. Therefore, central government become despotic and unchecked. Less democratic. Unitary form of government empowers urban bureaucracy and ignores the rural needs. The system is only useful in the small states. Thanks for watching the CSS Fair. See you in the next video. Keep moving forward. Allah Hafiz.